Alright, so I'm going to be redoing this bathroom. And then we found this at Home Depot. It was $7. So I'm going to be testing it out on the wall today and seeing how it looks. Alright, so I'm just going to be testing out a little spot here to see if we like it. So right now I'm just going to be taking down this mirror. So first I'm going to take off all the trim.
You okay?
Yeah.
Oh
Woo! I could probably be using better PPE. Alright, now time. I got my PPE on now. Get the rest of it out. Alright, it's a little harder than I thought, so I'm just gonna take all of this off camera. So right now I'm just gonna be cleaning up this edge so I can put a new sheet of drywall in. Alright, all cleaned up, so now I'm just going to clean up this stuff here and then install a little piece of wood backer so I can put on the new piece. Ah. I'm making a lot of mistakes right now. Now time for the drywall. Did a little bit of this off camera, but right now I'm just going to be using some of the mud, the drywall mud, to even everything out. Alright, so this is taking a while to paint, so I'm just gonna... Alright, I just finished up most of the painting. Right now I'm just gonna be taking down these lights and then working on this spot over here. Okay, so I'm just going to be putting in a new box here so it's centered over the sink, and then put these wires in it. So this Now we got that all sorted. It's centered with the vanity, and now it's ready for the light, but I'm just gonna patch up all these holes. I'm gonna put a cover over this and patch it up just because it's just a junction. So yeah, that's it for today, I think. I'll come back tomorrow. It's gotten a little messy in here, so I'm just gonna clean everything up now before I move forward.
Pick up trash, don't let it stay. Clean up every single day. Paper, plastic, separate. Recycle's great, let's not wait. Clean up time.
So I got this stuff all smoothed out. Now I'm just going to be using this orange peel wall texture to spray on. Alright, so right now I've got all of this stuff. It's almost ready to paint. It just has to dry with that texture. And then I'm still working on that patch there from the old box. And then this stuff for it to dry so I can level it out more. But I also put in this backer so I can screw the new medicine cabinet in. So right now I'm just going to wait for all of this to dry and then come back and paint some more. Alright, we are officially all done with painting. So I just turned the electric off. So now I'm going to connect the new light. Alright, we just finished up. This is the bathroom all done. I added some decorations too, but I really like this light. I think it makes the whole bathroom. But here's everything.